Hey guys, how you doing today? Quite a hot day out here today, so I'm going to do just a quick video on the Joe staff. This particular video is not so much about the strikes, because it's several of the strikes that we've worked on before. You'll see some of that stuff come into play. Today it's mostly concerned with watching my feet, watching my hips, make sure my hips are open, so as I make a strike I get all the power and all the force and motion into the strike that I'm doing. Constantly going into a cat stance, shuffling my feet, moving around. So let's see how this comes out. Okay guys, just a quick video. Again, some of the strikes you've already seen. Keep working on those strikes. They're very effective and they're very important. Open your hips, move your feet, shuffle around a little bit. Don't be in the same spot the whole time. Alright, thanks guys.